Go, 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 go.
On an adventure.
I don't wake up each and every day and greet the sun good morning. Sometimes it looks like rain.
We're making our second flight. We almost missed it. Holy crap. Our first plane was late. We're so lucky to even be allowed on this thing.
But when I'm drifting to stormy skies, oh, I try to remind myself how it feels to be alive. It's the little things in life that put it all in perspective. The blessings each day provides when you look below the surface. It's the little things in life.
It's coming.
Oh, there it is. We're here. We're here. Babe, we're officially in Alaska. Yeah, we are. We're just gonna make our way to the cruise ship.
And my heart still beats in time. It's gonna be a long, long ride. If you're never satisfied, it can hurt too hard to try to find the little things in life.
It's ginormous.
I don't wake up each and every day feeling like myself, or that I like myself this way.
Babe, we're in our room. We're in our room. We're on a cruise. Our 1-year anniversary cruise to Alaska. I love you.
I love you too. We're dorks.
Okay, let's go get food.
Okay.
Oh, food.
Okay.
I know all the times that old black dot still follows me and my friends, but we try to help each other through the darkest times. It's the little things in life that put it all in perspective. The blessings each day provide when you look below the surface. It's the little things in life, and my heart still beats in time. It's gonna be a long, long ride if you're never satisfied.
Babe and I are gonna have our first like 5-course dinner ever, and it's going to be on our cruise at Botticelli's. We're deciding to try something completely new, duck. Right? So I grabbed a leg and she wanted to split it, which is great because who knows if we like it. We're trying it, and then she's got quite a large chunk. And then she gives me the chunk back. I was like, why, don't you like it? And you said you liked it. Yeah, no? And she's like, yeah, but I keep thinking of Donald and Daffy Duck, so I can't continue. Is that right? Yeah? Daffy tasted delicious.
He really does.
Whoever made this poodle is an absolute artist.
It hurt too hard to try to find little things in life.
Babe, where are we docked at?
We are in Juneau, Alaska.
Okay, yes, and this captain, whoever shipped this ship, backed this thing into port. That is so awesome. Dude, parallel parked a ship.
It's the little